Welcome back to the world. Today we have repeating letter series. This is something slightly different from what we have done so far. So far we have taken a look at what is number series, what is normal letter series, all those kind of things. This one is a repeating letter series. Let's take a look at the first question over here. E, then we have a blank, we have E, D, then blank, D, D, E, etc. Look at the answer choices of that question as well. That is in blue color right here. Look at it. D-E, D-E, E-D, D-E, D-E, E-D, D-D, E-E. All the four answer choices given are, when you closely look at it, this comprises of letters D and E only. There's no other letter. So, this repeating letter series would comprises letters E and D, nothing else. So it's some kind of order in the order of like D and E or E and D, doesn't matter. Let's take a look at it. So what is it? E and a blank. Then we have ED here. Then we have a blank, then D is here. Then we have another blank, D is here. Then E, another blank. So possibly when you look at it here, E and D. So how about this one? If it is E and D here as well, so E and D, E and D. Now next one, if you take it as E and D, next one would be another E and D, then E and D. So ultimately, this is a pattern of what? E, D, E, D, E, D, and E, D. So the answer would be D, E, E, D. D, E, E, D. That would be the answer for this question. Look at the second question over here. It has the letters A blank, then C, a blank, B, C, A, etc. Look at the answer choices of that question right here. So we have B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So if you look at the answer choices, this answer choices, each one of the answer choice has three letters. So it's a pattern of three letters. Which are the letters? A, B, and C. Look at the question. A, we have a blank, we have C. So how about that? A, B, C? Probably it's A, B, C. Then what is it? Next one. If it is A here, A, B, C, then A, B, C. Simple question, right? So A, B, and C. This one is A, B, and C. This one A, B, and C. So final answer would be B, A, B, C. So B, A, B, C, that would be the answer. Hope you got the pattern from the first two questions. Now look at the third question. The answer choices are here as well. So answer choices P, G, K, P, K, G, K, P, K, P. So the answer choices comprises of three letters G, K, P, correct? Or K, P, G, whatever it is. So we look at the pattern. What's the possible pattern right here? G, K, something missing, then P, K, something missing, then G, something missing, P, right? So what would be the pattern, possible pattern here? G, K, how about like P here? G, K, P, then P, K, how about G here? So G, K, P, P, K, G. Then again G, K, P, right? Then P, K, G. So G, K, P, P, K, G. G, K, P, P, K, G. That's a pattern. And the answer would be P, G, K, P, K. P, G, K, P, K. The first choice would be the correct answer in this case. Now look at the fourth question, last question here. A, something missing B, something missing B again, C, C, something missing C, D, etc. Look at the answer choices. We have first answer choice, we have B, C, D, A, and B. Second answer choice, we have A, B, C, D. So we have four letters A, B, C, and D in all the answer choices. That means this question, the series would be a pattern comprises of four letters A, B, C, and D. So what is a pattern? A, and this is B. Then we have something missing, we have another B. Then we have two C's here, a blank, then another C. Then we have, well, one D, two blanks, then another two D's. Well, what would be the possible answer here? What I see, a group of C's here, and seems like a group of D's here. How about like we put D and D here? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 D's. How about like we have 4 C's here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 C's, 5 D's. How about like 3 B's? Is that okay? 3 B's. How about like 2 A's? So A and A, 3 times B, 4 times C, and 5 times D. Yes, that's a pattern. So the final answer for that question, A, B, C, D, D. So A, B, C, D, D. Which would be the answer? Answer choice 2. Well, this is called repeating letter series. So when you approach these kind of questions, you have to have a pretty good idea or a clue from the answer choices which would be the possible pattern in this type of questions. So look at the answer choices, then approach the question, then find the pattern, possible pattern. Well, if you get the answer in the first 20 or 30 seconds, that will be perfect. If you're not really getting the answer 40, 50 seconds, then run away from that question and come back to that question later. Otherwise, that one question may spoil your exam. So exam strategy, if you get a question like this, if you're getting the answer right away, perfectly all right. Otherwise, run away from it and come back to that question if you have time towards the end of the exam. Thanks for watching. See you next time.